Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use all coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items support discounts using your coins. So you need to make sure that your item that you want to order and if you want to use your coins, it does support such type of discounts. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I open this item, and under the photos I should see this line extra 1% off with coins. And if I go to some another item, for example this one, here under the photos I do not see such line. So that means that for this item I will not be able to use my coins. So okay, let's go to this item that does support my coins for my discount, and I need to proceed to my checkout page. So now scroll down to summary section, and here you can see line saved. So this is basically discount that I used my coins for. So as you can see, I use my 1 coin for this specific item, and if I tap here I have an option to select do not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins because I want my discount. So as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted amount of coins for this specific order. And that actually depends on the sellers. Sellers themselves decide which amount of percentage of discount they can offer to customers. For example, if I go to this item at the top and scroll down, I can see that this seller suggests me extra 5% off with coins. So that is really nice. And let me show you. If I go to checkout and go to saved section, I will see that I have used 15 coins, and that gave me even bigger discount. So you cannot decide by yourself how many coins you will use for your AliExpress order, because AliExpress automatically deducts amount of coins. So I think that's pretty clear. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.